Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both ends. Make sure the LED TV actually supports Bluetooth and the external device is powered. Once powered, place the device into pairing mode. Look for a blinking LED or a voice prompt. Then, on the TV, navigate directly to Settings, open the Connections or Sound menu, and select Bluetooth. You do this now because initiating pairing from the TV gives it control over discovery and frequency selection, which reduces interference and speeds up the process. Once the TV is scanning, you should see a list of nearby devices. Wait at least 10 to 30 seconds so the device appears. When you see the correct name, select it. Make sure the name matches the label on the device to avoid pairing the wrong gadget. If the TV asks for a PIN, try common defaults like 0000 or 1234, or use the PIN printed on the device. You do this because of verified selection and correct PIN ensure a secure link and After pairing, confirm the TV shows a connected status and that the device indicates a link. Next, play a short video or audio track to verify output. Make sure both TV and device volumes are set appropriately. If sound is delayed or missing, switch the TV's audio output to the Bluetooth device and retest. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device, move both units closer, and temporarily disable other Bluetooth sources. This single troubleshooting step resolves most interference or profile mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.